This is the house that is very suitable for couples to live inside. This is called Space Capsulehouse C30. It's a 28 square meters house, bedroom and bathroom balcony all installed, including a store. Is really amazing, really thick and safe. And you can see this decoration, I just love it. It's made of aluminum, so the inside is filled with polyurethane foam. Insulation is good. Also, this 4 square meters balcony is waterproof, so it's pretty good. And also this place, you can see the logo wall, the control panels, the projector, the central AC, and the spaces, mirror, and this drive-by bathroom. So, do you like this house?